Hello. Today we are going to learn how to do flow sheets in Microsoft Word. So the first step is to open up a new Word document just as I have done here. And the next step will be to input some of your flow sheet shapes. So if you go to Insert and you scroll down to Shape, you'll see that you get a whole plethora of shapes here. All the shapes coming in blue, but you can change their color. And we will look specifically at this flow chart shape. One of my favorite shapes is this one. It's kind of rounded on the ends, and it makes these nice little bubbles. And then you can go ahead and format this little bubble. So if you click on its format, I tend to like all the way at the beginning this basic look. I think it's very clean and professional with the white background and the dark black outline. Again, then you can change the color. You can change the fill of the inside to any color that you want, green maybe, but again, we'll leave it white for these purposes. And then the line, you can change the outline of the line also. A variety of different colors here, but again, we'll leave it black. And then you always have the opportunity to change the weight of the line. Is it dashed? More colors and other sorts of effects. So for your whole bubble, there are also other effects here that you can practice and play with. Find things that suit your particular needs. So the next step will be to go back to all shapes, remove our search key here, and then pick some of your flow indicators. So again, I in general pick a unidirectional arrow because in general that's the way flow sheets tend to work. Of course, you can pick a bidirectional arrow if that will work for your purposes. So I would click on this and then you can go ahead and input your arrow. And you can format this arrow just like you format your bubble. So if you right click, you scroll down to format shape, you can change things, particularly the color, especially to match your formatted bubble. Again, these are some of the same effects that you would use for this format shape that you can use on your line, adding shadows, reflections, or making it 3D. And the next step, again, I would add another Terminator box here to indicate the next step. Align it, and then again, quickly format. So other things that you can do, again, sometimes you may need for things to split in your flowchart. Go back to all shapes. That's when I would use this plain line. And I'll grab another one. You can kind of build yourself a separator through your flowchart. Again, you can always readjust the size here. And then I would use a unidirectional arrow to come down here. So this is where there would be a split in your decision-making process, maybe a yes or no question, giving you the different opportunities here. And then you would, again, right-click Format Shape so that everything is a cohesive piece. I think that's very important. The last real step then is making sure that you have the correct wording in your document. So you just make sure where you want your text. So we'll add that there. For example, right click, you can do add text. Hello. And then you can format that just like you do all of your other fonts. So I hope you have enjoyed this brief introduction. Just keep practicing.